Hello everybody, welcome to Gamble with Jimmy. In today's episode, we're going to play Roulette. And we're going to play a strategy that I call 4 times 3. 4 times 3 basically means you have 3 sections. Each section has 12, 12, and 12 numbers. Okay, so what we're going to do is each section, we're going to go ahead and pick 4 numbers in a straight line. So if we go straight here, we're going to go straight here and then straight here. Each section has to have a different column, okay? You can't have the same column if you're going to do it, all right? So we're going to go ahead and get started. We have a $5,000 bankroll, and let's get started. We're on a minimum $25 table, okay? So I'm going to go in the middle for my first section, and then I'm going to go below for my other one, and I'm going to go above for my last one. Okay? So let's go ahead and shoot or spin the wheel. Okay, so the first one is 36 red, and we do have a 36 red. That's great. Okay, so we're going to lose 100, 275. Okay, we'll put that over there because we'll be getting that back. We'll pay ourselves from our profits, okay? So we're going to get a hit on the 36. So your $25 is going to pay 35 times that. So that's $875. So we have 275 here, okay? So we've got 875 minus 275. So that's $600 more. So we're going to get back all of our money, and we're going to take 600 from the house. We'll take it in white, okay? These are going to act as $100 chips, okay? All right, so just like that, we're up $600, okay? All right, now we're going to go ahead and do it again. Back to the $25 level. We're going to go with the lower ones this time. The middle ones. And let's go with the lower ones. Need one more. Push this back a little. All right. We're good to go, right? Okay, here we go. There's no skill. There's no skill at all with this strategy. It's pure luck, okay? There's no professional roulette player. The only thing that we're doing to help us win is the laddering of the bet sizing and the way that we do it. We're going to ladder up and we're going to ladder down, okay? All right, we missed that spin, but it's a 16. And we're 16. No, 16's here. We're going to lose. Okay, so that's going to be $300 is gone. Okay, I'm going to put that to the house. All right. So now we're going to do it again, and we're going to go to $50 at each one. Okay. Let's go with the top. Okay, and let's go with the middle. Okay, here we go. Good luck to us, right? It's a 25 red, and we don't have the 25 red. If we would have went with the lower one, we would have hit it. But it is what it is, right? Okay, we're going to have to buy these back. $600 we got to pay these people, which is what we had won. So we're going to give that back to the casino. We're going to keep these, okay? All right, so we got to go to $75 units. Let's go with the middle. Okay, let's go with the bottom here. Okay, we need another, let's get another 300 in green. Okay. All right. All right, it's a big bet. Big. Oh, wait. We got something wrong here. Wait. We here. Oh, I know what we did. Okay, there we go. Something wasn't right. Okay, we got to move these puppies over here up to the middle. Okay, so we got two guys in the middle. We can do that, I guess. There's no rule to that. So we got center. Yeah, let's go for it, man. You never know, man. This is all luck. There's no skill to this. $13. Do we got a 13? Yes, I think we got it. Yeah, we got that sucker. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so all this money is going to come back to us. Wow, that was the one that we had here, remember? We had to bring it down because I screwed up. That's crazy. All right. So $75 times 35. 2,625. Wow, that's awesome. All right, we'll pull this bad boy down. That's a big win, guys. Woo, that is awesome. We made some serious money there. That's one thing about roulette, guys. You can make a ton of money if you hit. Okay, so we got, 3, 6, 7, 8, 875. All right, so what did we say? It was 75 times 35. It's 2625 minus, what was it? 3, 6, 7, 8, 875 minus 875. Okay, so we'll take 1750. So we're going to pocket this. And we get 1750. So we'll pay ourselves in the white. That's 15. 1750. There we go. Paid in full. All right, let's see how we're doing. We started with 5,000. So here's our 5,000 right here. So we're up 4 plus all these green. That's about, that's close to 1,000 right there. So we're probably up about 1,400, 1,300, something like that. All right, we'll try to get, see how long we've been playing. Oh gosh, only 8 minutes. Wow. Okay, let's try to get one more hit, okay? I think if we get one more hit, that would be good. All right, let's start it over on level 1. Let's go up to the top. Let's go ahead and do the top here as well. And let's go with the bottom. Oops, we got an issue here. That one's too, we did too many. Okay, we're good. Okay, so we went all the way top column. This one is, yeah, that's right. Isn't that right? Yeah. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Okay, that's a 16. We're gonna lose here. We're gonna lose that. Oh, that money is gone, 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 gone. Casino just snatched it all. All right, so let's go 50 each. Okay. Let's see if we can snag this one. Let's do it. $34 red is a loser. That was the bottom corner over there. Okay, we're gonna lose, 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 lose. Loser, loser, and loser. All right, now if we hit this next one here, that 75 level, we're gonna go ahead and definitely cash out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna skip the, no, I can't skip the 75 level. I was gonna be lazy because I don't wanna get all that change. So let's go ahead and put it out. So it would be 12 times 75. 12 times 75. Okay, that's a $900 investment. So what we're going to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1,000, and then that's 900. We're going to give that to the house. So we just bought $900 worth of green chips, okay? This was what we just lost, so we're going to keep that. And so we get to do the whole thing because we gave it to the casino already. Let's go with the top. 75 each, okay? All right, that's the first ones. All right, let's get this one. Let's go to the lower one. Okay, and they gotta pay for all this. Okay, and let's go in the middle on the last 4. Okay, so casino paid for all that. We gave them 900, so they paid for it. All right, let's go. Now, if we hit this, we're going to cash out. Okay, that's a 13. Woo! How crazy is that, right? That's the same number that we won with 75 on it before. Remember that? How crazy, how odd and bizarre is that, right? Okay, so we're going to get all this money. We're going to end up getting, this is a loss here, but we're going to end up getting all that money back right there, okay? 26.25. Let's see what this was. I want to say it was, what was it, like 870 something? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it was 825 is what it was, okay? We get to keep this 75. So we owe 825 is what we lost, but we get like 2,650 or something like that. So 75 times 35 is 2625 minus 875 is 1750. Actually, you know what? Yeah. It's actually not 1875 because we keep the winner. So we'll just take 17. We'll just take 1750. It's no big deal. I think we cheated ourselves, to be honest with you, though, a little bit. So we gotta. Wow, we took all the bank's money, dude. All right, there's 1750. They can have the crumbs, man. We wiped them out, guys. All right, we get the 1,700 plus we get to keep what we lost. It was 26.25 or 26.50, something like that. Okay, let's count how much we made. We started with 5,000. So let's go ahead and count the 5,000 here. Let's build this up to, okay, there's your 5,000. Okay, so all this over here is pure profit. Those are all hundreds. Okay, we got 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 1,000. That's 1,100 in green. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. $2,200, guys. $2,200 in 15 minutes on the 4 times 3. Money, money, money. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a like if you like the strategy. Go ahead and try it out. Now, guys, you could play this at any level you want. If your table allows $1 bets, if your table allows $5 minimum bets, you could. We started it on a $25 table. Okay, so you can go ahead and go up a unit, and you could go $5 each, and then you go to 10, then you go to 15, and then you go to 20, then you go to a quarter. So that gives you a lot of extra losses. So you can play however you want with this strategy. So for all of you guys out there that are watching and haven't subscribed to the channel but like this content, please support the channel and take a moment to hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. I'm really trying to build this channel up. My goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Okay, I'm working really hard to do it. So I really need you guys to support me on that, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. You guys have a wonderful day. Now go out there and win yourself some money on the 4-3 money, money, money roulette strategy.